This answer is powered by sqaurespace.com. Get help with your Squarespace questions or tasks on demand.
And here is the page. And we can see this, right? Two symbols. Okay, how do we fix this? How do we fix this? We should find this element right here. So this is what we want on this place, right? Not dots. So here is this. Yeah, content. This is a Unicode symbol for the dot. And here is the CSS code, right? So what is the way to fix this? It's pretty simple. We copy here. Would like to open my own website. It's a test website, so I get scared. And I go to custom CSS. So I simply add it right here. And then I hit content, empty content. Save, and voila. It will be fixed, and only these symbols will be displayed.
Was this helpful? Ask a Squarespace question now. AskQuesty.com.